table. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a bento box lunch, and this is what a bento box is. I got this on Amazon and I've been dying to do a picnic, but the weather's still a little too cold for that. By the time this video goes out, I think you guys are going to be able to make your little bento boxes and go out on a picnic in your backyard or to a park, and it'll be loads of fun. But today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a shrimp croquette, and I'm just using store-bought tartar sauce. To be honest, I just have some Trader Joe's tartar sauce as a sauce with a little bit of sriracha. It's gonna be really good. It'll be fun to make. I feel like all ages around will like it. I mean, how is anything fried not good? So for now, let's go check out these ingredients. So as I was saying before, I got this bento box on Amazon and I love how authentic it looks. It probably isn't authentic. It was like $19, but it comes with this band, and if you open it up, they have a little divider in there, but I'm actually not going to be using that today. I'm going to take that out, but I think it's a really good idea to have that in there so you can have rice in one compartment and then separate your other side dishes. So if you guys like this, you can purchase it using our Amazon affiliates link that is linked down below in the description box. So for now, let's go chop up our onion. Let's dice up half of a large onion. Next, we're gonna move on to our shrimp. Take the tails off. We're gonna mince this up real small. Rough chops in the beginning. If you guys are vegetarian, you can use potatoes or different veggies instead of the shrimp. I also think scallops would be good, but scallops are, I think, a lot more expensive than shrimp, so I'm using shrimp today. The best butter ever. 1 tablespoon of butter. Growing up, my mom fried everything. Like, I just remembered the house always smelling of oil, and she's pro at frying. So we grew up eating a lot of fried foods. She's never really made us a shrimp croquette, but she's always made us potato croquettes. We're gonna cook this until it becomes soft. Wow, the smell. Butter and garlic. Not garlic. Oh, butter and onion. A 1/3 cup of milk. I lowered the heat to a low. 1 tablespoon of flour, little by little. Let's season this. 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Okay, we're gonna cool this and stick it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. So, do you guys know what it's time for? Today's word of the day is muddy, which means head or hair. So I decided to use this word because I'm gonna chop off my hair. I'm just kidding. I'm only gonna cut off like 3 inches.
I think you match longer hair. And then because you have generally healthy hair, like, it's okay if you keep it.
Thanks for saying generally. It's actually really not that healthy. So body technically means head, but when you say I'm gonna go get a haircut, you say I'm gonna go get a head cut. That's basically what it is. Oh, body 자를 거야, which means I'm gonna go cut my head. But it means I'm gonna go cut my hair. I've never realized that until now. So now you guys know that Koreans say they're gonna go cut their heads when they meant I'm gonna go cut my hair. But today's word of the day is muddy, which means head or hair. Now we're going to work on our batter. So normally we would do a dry, wet, dry sequence, but today I'm just gonna speed things up and mix the first and second step together and just end it with the dry, which is the breadcrumbs. I'm gonna mold this into small ball shapes. It can be a little difficult because it's very wet, but that is the texture that we want. Egg mixture. Grace really likes croquettes from okay, I am butchering this. Durejuru, but less jars. It's a Korean bakery and I think they have it pretty much at a lot of places around the States. But Grace and I really like the croquettes there. So Grace likes the kimchi ones that they have. And they have a curry one. Are those the only two that they have?
No, sometimes they have like crab meat ones, I think.
Oh.
But those are the only two that I've tried and I really like it.
Okay. Because like those are a little bit different of the croquettes that we're making because those are more bready. Make sure every surface is covered. Get our oil ready. Be mindful that this doesn't have to fry for a long time because everything's already cooked. It's just for you to get that brown color. So we are ready with this one. Here. We'll add a bowl of rice into our bento box first. Grab a lettuce to separate it. I'm gonna use a lettuce as like a little cup to put some tartar sauce and sriracha. Taste test time. We have some aha. Lemon. Your ice machine.
Yeah.
Oh my. Make sure to get some of that sauce, Grace.
Wow.
I'm spilling.
Wait, that's so good.
Very good.
It's so good with tartar sauce.
People in Korea usually have these like croquette things with tartar sauce. But I was too lazy to make it, so I just bought it.
I thought the rice would be a little bit like, oh, you don't need rice with this, but actually like balances it out.
The shrimp, it's like slightly bigger chunks in it randomly.
Yeah, there's like a nice chew.
So it's there's a very nice chew with it. This is fan-freaking-tastic.
I also think it's a really good way to hide vegetable, like little bits of broccoli.
So we wanted to do something where it wasn't so normal. Like I feel like when you think bento boxes, you're thinking kimbab or something very just like
rice balls.
Or like tonkatsu or rice balls, like very generic. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this and make this for your loved ones. Kids will love this. We'll see you guys on our next video.